In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your Xero and Stripe accounts together. This connection is invaluable for streamlining your invoicing and payments processing, making your financial management both efficient and hassle-free. Let's dive into the process, starting with navigating to your Xero dashboard, which serves as the command center of your financial operations on Xero. From here, we can start making the magic happen. Once you're logged in, the first action you should take is to click on the Settings option. It's easily accessible, acting as your gateway to customizing your Xero experience to better suit your organizational needs and priorities. Inside the Settings menu, our prime focus is the Payment Services section. This is a crucial area as it allows Xero to manage how you get paid by clients, which is a pillar for maintaining a healthy cash flow. Proceed by clicking on this option, and that takes you to the Payment Services area. Here, search for the Add New Payment Service button. This button is your next step towards integrating Stripe with Xero, expanding the payment options you can offer your clients. Upon clicking on Add New Payment Service, a number of options will appear. What you want to look for next is the Setup Cards and Digital Wallets button. Clicking on it is a pivotal move, opening up the pathway to integrate with various payment platforms, but today, our focus is on Stripe. After clicking Setup Cards and Digital Wallets, your next move is to select Get Set Up with Stripe. Stripe is a robust platform for managing online payments, and connecting it with Xero is like automating your payment processing, which can save you substantial amounts of time and effort. Selecting Stripe will redirect you to a login or account setup page for Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, you're ahead of the game. If not, don't worry at all. The setup process is designed to be straightforward. Here, you'll be prompted to input your email address to either log in or start creating a new account. After entering your email, you just need to follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account to Xero. This might involve a few crucial steps like verifying your identity, adding a bank account for deposits, and setting up relevant tax and business information. These steps are vital in ensuring that your Stripe account works smoothly with Xero, effectively bridging your invoices and the payments you receive. And with that, you've linked your Xero and Stripe accounts. The beauty of this integration lies not just in its simplicity, but also in the efficiency it offers for your transactions. With both systems working together, invoices generated in Xero can include a Stripe payment option, allowing clients to pay instantly via credit or debit cards or even digital wallets. This integration also eliminates manual payment entries, as Stripe transactions are automatically recorded and reconciled within Xero. To get the most out of this integration, consider regularly checking your Stripe dashboard within Xero to monitor transactions. Make sure your Xero and Stripe accounts align with your organization's financial periods for accurate reporting. Plus, explore Stripe's features, such as setting up recurring billing or subscriptions to further automate your billing processes. In conclusion, connecting Xero and Stripe isn't just simplifying financial operations. It's also offering a streamlined and improved payment experience for your clients. This strategic move can facilitate better cash flow management and even enhance client satisfaction due to the payment convenience it brings. Integrating Xero and Stripe is a powerful way to redefine your payment processing. Following these steps not only saves you time, but also boosts the professionalism of your invoicing system. In the world of business, efficiency is key, and with Xero and Stripe, you're well on your way to achieving it.